Hello everyone guys, my name is Simpreet Kaur and welcome to my channel. And guys, today we are just gonna to make some sentences on WH family. So be with me till end. So guys, there are sentences given on WH family like तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम कहाँ गए थे? तुम वहाँ क्यों जाते हो? दरवाज़ा कौन खटखटा रहा है? इनमें से तुम्हारी किताब कौन सी है? So guys, our first sentence is like तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? अब guys, इसकी इंग्लिश बनती है What are you doing? What are you doing? So let's come to our next sentence. So guys, our second sentence is like तुम कहाँ गए थे? तुम कहाँ गए थे? Where had you gone? Where had you gone? So let's come to our next sentence. So guys, our third sentence is like तुम वहाँ क्यों जाते हो? तुम वहाँ क्यों जाते हो? अब guys, इसकी इंग्लिश बनती है Why do you go there? Why do you go there? So guys, let's come to our next sentence. So guys, our fourth sentence is like दरवाज़ा कौन खटखटा रहा है? दरवाज़ा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking the door? Who is knocking the door? So guys, let's come to our last sentence. So guys, our fifth sentence is like तुम कौन सी पोशाक लेना चाहोगी? तुम कौन सी पोशाक लेना चाहोगी? Which dress would you like to buy? Which dress would you like to buy? So bye bye guys. I hope you learned these sentences. So please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.